Hello everyone, and this time we are going to install a Comtabo server. So simply I bought a small VPS here at Comtabo, so it will be enough to go to account secret management and password. Here you will add a password, so here you go. There I'm going to call it training, and I'm going to create the password for my famous session. So I create this password and there. So I return to my VPS and I'm going to click on the three little dots. I'm going to reinstall. I'm going. In advance, I choose standard image, Debian 12. There I take my password and I will do install. Click on install. There we will wait a little bit and we will see that the machine will start to reinstall. So once it will be reinstalled, I will be able to connect in SSH on it simply. So that's it, it's running. So I'm going to copy the IP address. I'm going to launch a small one and there I'm going to connect to this famous machine. So there we can see that it doesn't work because it's very recent. So we're going to wait a little bit. We're not going to go faster than the music there, and then it's going to ask me for my login. So it's admin and the password you chose. So I'm connected. I'm already underwater. So there you see there's really nothing to do in parameters. It's very, very fast. Here, what will interest us is going to be to edit the SSH config file. So remember what we are going to do first. Initially, it is going to be to generate a certificate. So we generate, we move the mouse, pop the key. We are good. What we do is that we copy it. We will open a notepad, pop. There we paste Control to Control C. I return to my machine and there I tell it sudo nano and I will call it my work. Keys voluntarily, I will not use my key. Hop I save and voila. So then what we're going to do is we're going to do a sudo nano /etc/ssh/sshd from the bottom config. Here we are going to deactivate the account config file at bow. We are going to change the port to 2223, start to know the history. Here we are going to authorize the keys, and there we are simply going to do /home/admin/ the name of your key. I called it Life My Work Fankais. Here I check some parameters, but everything is okay. So if I do this entry and there I put an SSH restart service, I am forced to put a sudo Windows service SSH restart. Now if I back up my key, I'll call it Windows Phone Work. We're okay. I can close this, take my tutti, go on this, recover the famous port of my machine. Remember it was 2223 and what interests me. In connection data here, you will put admin and in SSH AUT. Identity, you will get your certificate. So we do this, we do this, we do save. And there, as if by magic, I am connected to my machine. As a security measure, we can try to connect. So on our machine, I was a little quick, sorry. On our amputated machine, normal. So if I do 2223, I copy my IP address, I do that, and then I tell him admin. I do because I do not have the certificate. So here is how we install a VPS, at how we reset it, and how we secure it simply.